Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for science classes in college. Start by organizing your syllabus, scheduling study sessions, and prioritizing lab work over passive reading. Break topics into manageable chunks and use active recall with flashcards or practice problems. Meet with classmates for group review and ask questions in office hours. Keep a steady pace and celebrate small wins to stay motivated and consistent throughout the semester. Focus on doing rather than passively reviewing when you study science. Solve practice problems and simulate exam conditions to build confidence. Explaining ideas to someone else or recording yourself reveals gaps in understanding quickly. Make visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts to connect concepts across lectures and labs. Rotate subjects in short, focus sessions to keep recall sharp and reduce burnout while maintaining steady progress each week. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Quick recommendation: grab some leak-proof meal prep containers to make study days smoother and avoid spilled lunches between labs and libraries. They save time and reduce stress when you're juggling classes and study sessions. I put a link in the description along with other deals, so check that out. And now let's get back to the video. Prepare for labs by reading protocols and noting safety steps and key calculations ahead of time. Practice analyzing sample data and creating clear graphs so you are efficient during lab reports. For exams, compile a concise formula sheet to review units, constants, and common conversions. Prioritize problems you struggle with and simulate timed practice tests to build speed and reduce anxiety on exam day while keeping a calm, steady mindset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.